It's summer, so I'm back to nannying, and recently on my Instagram I've been asked for easy vegan breakfast ideas for kids, so today I'm sharing just that. Let's get on to the recipes. The first brekkie is frozen yogurt popsicles. For the recipe you'll need a popsicle mold, but if you don't mind yogurt bites, you could use an ice cube tray. Place a couple blueberries at the bottom of each section. Then add your favorite non-dairy yogurt. I used a vanilla almond milk one. Next add cereal or granola. I like Love Grown Fruity Stars. And press the cereal into the yogurt so it sticks better. And freeze for at least 4 hours. Kids can be a little picky though, so I thought I would share another flavor combo. This time, start by adding vanilla non-dairy yogurt, then strawberry, next add strawberry jam or raspberry. I love this fruit sweetened one from Trader Joe's, and freeze for at least 4 hours. They're tasty, fun, and a perfect treat to make with kids. The next recipe is spinach blender muffins. Add 1½ cups of rolled oats to a blender with 2 cups of spinach, a 1/4 cup of nut or seed butter, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, a cup of non-dairy milk, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Blend the ingredients together and pour into a lined cupcake pan. I love using an ice cream scoop to put the same amount of batter in each cup, and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. These muffins are perfectly fluffy and great served with a spread of butter or jam. And the best part is you can freeze them to quickly heat on a busy morning. Next, we're making cereal bars. Add 1/3 cup of nut or seed butter to a microwave-safe bowl with a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and microwave for 30 seconds. In another bowl, add 3 cups of cereal. My favorite are the Fruity Stars from Love Grown. Then pour the maple syrup mixture on top. Mix everything together until all the cereal is well coated, and transfer to a lined 8x8 pan. Wrap the bars in parchment paper and store in the freezer until ready to eat. And the last breakfast recipe is French toast sticks. Add 1 cup of non-dairy milk to a bowl with 2 tablespoons of oat flour, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, turning them over halfway through. I hope you enjoyed these recipes. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I want to know which breakfast idea was your favorite. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a video, and I'll see you next time. Peace and love, Sarah.